Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights in the Transavia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the flights button. So here you have to select if you want to search for a return or a one-way flight. And then if it's a one-way flight, then you have to select the departure airport. And then the destination as well. And then you have to select the departure date. So here you will see a calendar, and then you can just select the date and then just click on the OK button. And lastly, you have to set the passengers, so the number of adults, children or infants traveling with you. And you can do that by clicking on the plus sign next to them. And once you are ready, just click on the confirm button. And if you set everything, then just click on the search button. And as you can see, here you will find the flight that was selected according to your search. And here's the price available, and if you just click on the select button, then the total will come out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.